Will, like 10 seconds ago, just had me film his idea here on the US30 coming up to this point. And as we were looking at it, as I get back to my seat, it's starting to drop here. So we'll see if it can get any lower.
That's crazy. Alright, so what we got going on?
What's going on? So I'm looking right now at GBP USD. Now, if you guys saw the last vlog, I was short on the pound dollar. We made some really good money catching some of the downside there. But since then, last week, actually on Friday, I closed out my trade. Okay guys, so I've been watching this GBP USD trade. Here we are on the 1 hour chart. Actually might make it easier if I do that 2 hour chart. But you can actually see, so I've got this trade open and I'm ready to close it because it is Friday. Things are wrapping up. So I'm going to go ahead and close this position. This one here, the better position entry is up about $352. And then this one is $125. And I'm going to go ahead and close it out again because it's Friday, because it's just about to end. I don't want to hold this one over the weekend. So I'm going to go ahead and close this guy out. So if I close this position, I can close that and then lock in the gains there on the first one and then right click, close position, and there we go. All out of that GBP USD trade. So overall, really nice. At the time of making this, it is Tuesday, and price is actually pulling back. We'll hop over to the charts now, take a look at GBP USD, and I'll show you guys what I'm seeing on the chart. So what we see here right now on GBP USD, I'm looking at the 4 hour chart. So you can actually see this little red dot here. I'll zoom in just a little bit. So this little red dot, this was my trade from last week. I took one here. It was early. I took a secondary. It was much better. Things rolled over, and actually I was telling Will this morning, you can see I closed out the trade pretty nicely there last week. We caught some of the downside, really nice movement there, and closed out. Now, since then, since Monday, Sunday, we've opened back up. We've seen this price start to actually surge back. Now, the trend here now is to the downside, and I really like the idea of getting short. So if I actually throw on some trend lines here, you guys can see hopefully what I'm talking about here. We actually kind of have a downward channel now on GU, and I really like the idea of getting short here on the 4 hour chart. So one more thing here that I like is, so we've got that downward channel, we've got the downtrend structure, but then we've also got this area here. We'll make it red so we can see it, and you can see actually we've got this kind of resistance. So what was support broke to the downside. Now we're surging back today in the New York session, showing some bullishness here on GU that I think might fade, that we might have some downside here to come. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the trade, I'm going to share it with members. By the way, guys, if you are not already a VIP member, we have an online trading community that myself and our staff here manage. So if you want to join that, there's a link down below in the description, a1trading.com/VIP. Go check it out. Come join us and trade with us. And you can see the trades that I'm taking, as well as some of our other analysts, and chat with some other traders in real time. So we'll see you there. So I'm over here trying to get some work done, and Will keeps telling me that his US30 trade is doing so well. So let's go see what this guy's on about. Let's see.
So I'm distracting Nick from work here, but I just need to tell y'all, because I don't know, it's just so cool to see like how far it dropped yesterday. So I had a sell in this range right here, and I had my take profit around here.
Gotcha.
And you see the candle just, you know, that little,
Oh yeah, you felt
that little thing hit right there.
So it just tagged you out?
It just tagged me out because I thought that would be a good support level to
nice,
get out
man.
at.
Good stuff.
So that is good stuff right there.
Nice trade.
I'll be sure to tell you all the losses too. I'm just not gonna show you the wins. I'm gonna show you some losses too, I'm sure.
You gotta see both.
You gotta see both.
Nice trade, man. Good
Next
stuff.
thing, Will Boost Cal on US30. So I'm just getting in and getting out on US30.
Good stuff. All right, so I just got short here on GU. We'll see if we can get down to this level. What I'm looking for is the trend line to the downside and the resistance to hold, seeing if we can get a push down to the lows. So we'll see how it goes on GU.
A few moments later.
I'm over here doing thumbnails, and Will's got something he wants to show me.
Yep.
What you got, Will?
So, guys, I'm looking at US30, you know, and this is the 15-minute chart. I have some support zones right here, and this resistance zone is where the 200 moving day average is. So I'm thinking we may have something similar that happened over here earlier today. right here. So I'm thinking price may hit right here and drop back down. So I'm keeping an eye on it. Haven't entered yet, but thinking about a possible short depending on what happens, or maybe setting a sell limit. So I'm thinking about it, so I'll let y'all know if I go in.
If you were to go in, where would you be looking for the drop to head to?
So if I was to take a sell, I would put a sell limit here, and my take profit would be here.
Okay, it's quick in and out.
Quick in and out.
And this is the 15-minute chart.
This is the 15-minute chart.
Cool.
And I'm kind of been looking at the day chart to see like where is that exactly at. So everything on the time frame looks like it's trying to go across the 200 moving day again. So we'll see what happens. So
All right.
keep y'all posted.
Cool. So we're in a temporary room, and they gave us 1A. If only we could reverse the letters here, it'd be A1. Will, what you got on your trade, man? All right, so Will called me over for his US30.
All right, y'all.
We were just here, like
We were
2
just
seconds
here.
ago.
I said sell limit right here. I didn't take it, unfortunately.
Oh, you just missed it?
I'm just letting y'all know. I just missed it because I was talking to y'all.
Yeah.
But you saw this green wick hit it. It barely hit it. Zoom in, you see it barely hit it right there. And then boom, it would have activated and it would have been a beautiful trade.
Dang, yeah, that's selling off in the afternoon here nicely.
Yep, so there y'all go.
Cool.
It's a great indicator to look at.
It sure is. Hey Frank,
What's up?
you mind if I sit in your chair now? You got your own office?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's a good view.
I know, it's great.
I have not uploaded it just yet. Frank's new office. Will's in here with us. Will, what's going on, man?
What's up, man?
It's our new addition. Not really, but they let us borrow it for the day.
Internet troubles.
I know, internet issues. Will, like 10 seconds ago, just had me film his idea here on the US30 coming up to this point. And as we were looking at it, as I get back to my seat, it's starting to drop here, so we'll see if it can get any lower.
That's crazy.
The next.
All right, what you got?
All right, y'all. So y'all remember yesterday I talked about I had a sell limit on the 200 moving average. I didn't enter in the trade, but that was my analysis for this 200 moving average. So it's like right here. Now, if we look, if that sell limit would have hit, right now we would have been up 939 points.
Jeez, yeah, that's crazy.
It's crazy.
Yeah, we filmed that. That
We
was
filmed
literally
it.
all caught on camera.
All
so.
caught on camera. I didn't do it, but I just wanted to let y'all know my analysis was right.
But you know, that's what happens to traders. I think that's probably a good lesson, even just the fact that so often we have like a trade idea and it actually is gold,
Yeah.
but we just don't quite hit it at the right time.
We don't hit it at the right time.
You know, it
I
just
hit it
doesn't trigger.
right when it was too late and it never came back.
Yeah, and you were so, like, because I saw your analysis, that the video earlier will show that. I mean, you literally called a spot and it was just barely out of reach.
Barely out of reach. It never hit it. So, you know, if y'all have a great idea, sometimes you have to just do it if it feels right. You know, either way, even if you're wrong, my stop loss would have still been probably on this next resistance level.
Right.
But just imagine, like, you know, the potential of the risk to reward.
Sure.
It's huge.
Yeah, absolutely.
So,
Thanks
there
for
you
the
go.
update.
Yep, no problem. Aww.